and welcome to my channel Knitting Kitty. All of my tutorials are on how to crochet different types of amigurumi, toys, keychains and some holiday decorations. I also decided that maybe it is a good idea to include from time to time some short tutorials with tips and tricks that I've learned during all these years of crocheting. I think that more than 13 years of crocheting. In today's short video, I will show you my way to close and finish off an amigurumi. Usually it's the head of an amigurumi, but you can use this tip for any other crochet piece with a hole you want to close. At the beginning, when I was learning on how to crochet an amigurumi, I always finish it crocheting 6 decreases one after another. Then I was using a darning needle to close the hole. But I didn't like the final result because there always was a small bump in the center or it was a little bit wrinkled. That's why I've tried another way to close the hole. Here you can see one of my finished pieces made in my way, and you can see that there are no bumps or wrinkles. Now I'm going to show you how I'm closing the hole of an amigurumi. Usually before the last round with 6 decreases one after another, there is another round when you crochet one single crochet, then you make a decrease, one single crochet, then you make a decrease, repeating these steps till you have 12 stitches in total. Well, after I finish that round with 12 stitches, then I make only 2 decreases one after another, and then I just fasten off. This way my last round has 10 stitches in total. So I leave a long tail, then using a darning needle I start closing the hole. I insert the needle only through the front loop of the first stitch. Then I pull the yarn tail just a little bit. Then I skip the next stitch and I insert the needle through the front loop of the next stitch, again pulling the yarn tail just a little bit, and I repeat. I skip one stitch and insert the needle through the front loop of the next stitch, pulling the yarn tail just a little bit. I repeat this till the end of the round, always pulling the tail just a little bit, gentle. This way I'm going to close the hole little by little. And now all we have to do is to pull one last time, a little bit stronger this time, and to close completely the hole. And then I make a knot. I hide the yarn tail inside the crochet piece, and then I have to cut the rest of the tail. And that's all. We are ready. We have a beautifully finished amigurumi piece. Hope this short video was useful for you. See you soon.